Welcome back. Mary Stockham joining us live in the studio now to talk about the upcoming holiday craft fair at the United Methodist Church. So, Mary, good morning. Welcome to you.
Good morning. Thank you.
Coming out here on such a chilly morning. We're very happy to have you here, and you've brought some really neat things with you. So, first, tell me a little bit about what you've got here and what will be on display at the craft fair.
Okay, we're going to have a craft fair this coming Saturday in Webb City at the Route 66 Event Center. And we have various vendors there. We have koozies, which is what you put your hot bowl of soup on. And we have pot scrubbies. And when you're finished cooking and you need to clean your pot, this is what you use.
Really?
Yeah, they're nice. They're soft, but yet they can scratch all the baked on food out.
Oh, be darn. See, now I wouldn't have thought that with this. It looks like something you hang on the wall, but yeah, if you feel it, I'll be darned.
Yep. And then we have votive candles in glass jars. We have wood ornaments. We're going to have Tupperware. We're going to have aprons that are handmade, Color Street nail polish. We're going to have baby washcloths, the hooded towels for children when they get out of the bathtub, table runners, crocheted items, leather goods, lots of different items.
Yeah, it sounds like, there's quite a selection that's getting ready to come up here. And a craft fair is always exciting because, as you just mentioned, there's all sorts of unique items at a craft fair. But this one's a little bit different because you're raising money for a special cause.
Yes, the church does not keep any money. We have members of the church that get together and they provide Christmas baskets for needy families. We provide turkey, ham, vegetables, cereal, milk, bread, eggs, all kinds of things, not only for Christmas, but for the following days afterward. We also provide an article of clothing for each child in the house and a small toy. Last year, our church served 72 families, and we know that there's going to be more need this year. That's the reason for the craft fair.
And that's impressive to be able to reach out and touch 72 families in the area with something that they otherwise may not have had.
Exactly.
And beyond the food, being able to help children, because of course for Christmas, children, it's a big deal for them, and if they don't get something, they feel left out.
That's true, and you're never sure exactly how many children will not be able to receive anything at Christmas.
And this really helps that out.
It does.
And with the craft fairs, you mentioned the proceeds go to benefit that. So
yes, all the money raised goes to that.
And that's why we want to let everybody know when and where this is, because it is essential that you get out to this craft fair so that the church members can get out there and build these Christmas baskets and ensure that kids have a Christmas this year and that families have something to eat this year for Christmas. So one more time, where's it at and when's it at?
Okay, it is in Webb City at the Route 66 Event Center. That's at 21 South Webb Avenue. It's 1 block west of the Main Street in Webb City. We start at 9 in the morning. We finish at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we will have 2 food trucks.
Oh, wow. So you can get a little snack so you can spend plenty of time crafting that day.
Yes.
So, all right. Mary, thank you so much for joining us this morning. And of course, we'll have all this information on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be back with more right after this.